Alright guys, so today I'm gonna do a video on using this trellis that I got from the Dollar Tree. It's just a very like a lucky charm, lucky tree trellis, and it can fit in pretty much any kind of pot. But I'll show you a good trick to do this so that it doesn't wobble around. So I'll be trellising my Hoya Griffithii, which is right here. This one has just grown massive and it just needs a trellis. You guys can see the tendril is just insane. So put this baby to the test. All right, so I twisted the bottom part of it so that it could fit onto the pot. So let's go ahead and just assemble it just like that. Doing that kind of supports the plant there, and it's nice secured. You see right there. Now we're just gonna go ahead and trellis this bad boy up in here. And you kind of want to do this counterclockwise. So since the vine is over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this. There you go, just do that. And you can, I like it because it has the 3 different little lines, so you can actually just wiggle your vines in. There you go. And I'm just gonna leave this end part going like that. So this is sort of how it looks at the end. There you go. This is kind of like the front part of it. You can see the leaves just trellising up. All right, so there you go. That's how it looks. All right guys, so I actually moved the trellis to back, but this is how this Hoya has been latched on. You can see the vine just goes up in between the trellis goes floop up. The leaves are nice and healthy, and you always want to leave the vine facing up, going up. And this is it. This is the Hoya trellised up. There you go, and it'll have space for the leaves to grow. You can see right there, the leaves are gonna grow. And yeah.